Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload music in iTunes. Let's begin. So, you can actually upload a lot of things in iTunes, guys, not just actually music. So, if you have other medias that you can upload, you can definitely do that. I'm gonna be showing you two ways on how you're gonna do it. So, I'll show you the first step. So, first, make sure, guys, that your iTunes is up, of course. The second is that if you look at this one right here, so that means your iTunes is able to recognize that your iPhone is just nearby. Pretty much, your iPhone is recognized and it's there and it's synced. So that's why it's showing up here. Okay. So you need to make sure that your computer and your iPhone is synced so you could upload music. Or pretty much you can upload just, whatever music files that you have in your computer. All you need to do is go to File. When you go to File, choose Add File to Library. When you click on that, hotkeys will be Control O for Windows, okay? So for here, say for example, if I have tons of music here, not just, the Down with the Sickness by Disturb, you could definitely choose that and it will show up here in your library, okay? Or you could go to Edit, click on Edit, and then go to Preferences. So once you're there, guys, just make sure that you tick, like the iCloud Music Library, and then this one you click, you tick also add songs to library and add them to playlist. When you hit OK, pretty much the songs or the music will be uploaded as well in your iTunes in your computer. So that's it. It's pretty easy. It's just like when as simple as when you upload files on other applications. So that's how it's done in iTunes. So I hope you learned something today. Please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.